Hey, hello everyone. Hope you are good and enjoying the coding. In this session, we will learn about the membership operator. Membership operator is used to test if a respective value is present in a sequence. Mostly, we use a membership operator on list, tuple, string, set, and dictionary. So these are the sequence data type. Or we can use a membership operator on a data type like array. There are two membership operator, in and not in. The in operator return true if the value is present into the sequence. Let me open the Visual Studio and create new file for membership operator. So here I am declaring one string. Okay, so let me copy one string here and paste here. So I am a Python developer. I want to search Python keyword is present in this sentence or not. Okay, if the Python keyword is present, then it should return this is a Python developer. Okay, so let's use this keyword and use with in operator. Okay, if Python in sentence, then it will say that it's Python developer. Okay, let's print this output. It's Python developer. So in this way we can use a in keyword on a string. So sentence, this is a string and we are checking if this respective Python keyword is present in this string or not with the help of in keyword. If it's present, then this print statement will be printed. If it's not present, then it will not be present. It will not be print this statement. Okay, let's change this capital P to small p and execute the code. It hasn't printed anything. Why? Because Python keyword is present here, but the ASCII character of P, capital P, and ASCII value of small p is a different. That's why this Python and this Python is a different. Okay, if let's understand this dev. If dev is present in a sentence, then we will say that it's a developer. It's Python developer. If it's not in this, then we will say it's a QA engineer. And instead of this dev, I will say it's small dev. It's QA engineer because this dev is not present here. So we will say it's QA engineer. In this way, we can use in and not in keyword. So we have used this in and not in keyword along with the string. Let's understand something about the list. So let me copy the list and paste here. Yeah, this is a list. In this list, I have some fruits. So now I want to check apple is present in this fruit list or not. Then by using in operator, we can check. You can see here, if apple in fruits, this is a sentence. This sentence will check the apple keyword is present in this list or not. If it's present, then it will return true. That means it will print this statement. It's a fruit. Okay, let's print this. It's a fruit. Similar way, you can use a not in. Okay, so instead of in, we will use not in. It means if apple is not present in these fruits, then print this statement. Okay, I hope membership operator is clear to you. So we can convert this list into a tuple, and similar way we can use in and not in for the tuple also. Let me clear the output and run. Now this is a tuple. If you want to print its type, then you can print that. Okay, let me run this code. class is tuple, and here we are checking this apple fruit is present in this tuple or not. It is present, then we have printed it's a fruit. Okay, in this way we can use in not in on list as well as tuple. We can do this for set also. Let's convert this tuple into set. Okay, so this is a set. For this set I have provided a list. Now it has converted to set. Let's run this. Class is set. That means we have properly converted this list into set, and we are checking like a same way how we have validated on the list on the tuple. In same way we can use the respective keyword or the respective fruit is present in this fruit set or not. If it's present, then it will say that it's a fruit. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So let's see one example of dictionary. Let me copy one dictionary. Okay, so this is a dictionary, person dictionary. Okay, and in this dictionary I have added 3 key value pairs: name, age and address. So if you want to check age key is present in this dictionary, then we can use like age in person. So it will check this age or this age key is present in this person dictionary or not. If it's present, then we have printed the person age. Okay, so let's run this. So it is saying age is not present. So I think I haven't saved. Let me save and re-execute. Yeah, so age is present in this person and this is a age 35. Okay, now here height is not present. Okay, if I check if height in person, then print person of age. Let's see this. So it will not print anything because height is not present. Else we will say that height is not present. Let's run this. Height is not present. Okay, in this way we can check any key is present in the dictionary or not with the help of in and not in membership operator. I hope this is clear to you. In next session we will learn about the identity operator and operator precedence in detail. Thank you. See you in next session.